Hi everyone, so today we're going to be fitting these to Kenzie's Mini. These are direct replacements that replace the old badge, so they just stick on. So we'll be showing you how to fit them basically. Right, so you need to remove obviously your current badge. We would probably use something thin plastic. Obviously we have this, which is a number. So you can get, I don't know, maybe a thin piece of like credit card or something like that. So you need to heat obviously this up because obviously you need to get rid of the glue behind. So if you get some warm water, obviously not boiling water because you don't want to damage your paint, if you just pour it over the badge, it'll soften the glue up behind. Alternatively, if you don't have any warm water, you can use a hairdryer, but you just have to keep heating it up until you can feel behind that it's coming loose. Right, so what you've got to do is gently pry the old glue behind. If you can go around the top as well, because there is two tabs underneath the badge, both sides. As you can see, it's not the cleanest underneath the badge, and it should just lift up like that. Oh, nice. Yeah. So, like I say, you do need to remove this. We'll be using tar and glue remover to remove it. You can get that sort of stuff from like Halfords and stuff like that. Right, so as you can see, there's still some glue. Some of it will just peel off, so if you just pull it back, it'll just come off. It's pretty manky, to be fair. And then, just if you're using tar and glue, you can use whatever you want really to get it off, but it's sort of like a solvent remover cloth. Bit of tar and glue. Got the tape on the back, so if you just heat that up so the glue stays soft. Right, so if you peel back the sticky on the badge, you can use masking tape to line it up, but on this occasion I'm not going to, because you can kind of see the outline of where the old badge used to be.
And the lack of peel.
So if you get the badge, line it up, and then it just sticks. So you can use some extra heat on top of the badge just to make sure it's stuck down. There you go, like massive improvement. Difference in this one, like I say, all black, same sort of Mini in the middle. We also do these in red, which we fitted on our demo car, so you can see the difference in the finish.
So, the finished product just looks so much cleaner. Wait, we zoomed all the way out? I don't know if we zoomed in or not. So much cleaner. And then you got that as well. So we've left Mini Bitz, and I'm actually so happy with the quality. Oh, there's oil everywhere, oil and fuel. Just looks so much cleaner. So you can get these on the Chrome website. Check out the Chrome. At the minute, I've got the belt line done by him. If it focuses, it stops doing the tilty doodah thing. Chrome, focus. Check them out. They're an awesome company for minis. Door handle covers, honestly incredible, absolutely incredible. Couldn't be happier with them. There we go, there's a proper shot. Mega.